guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I got a really cool Hot Wheel, and that is the new NFT Garage, the Fast and the Furious set. This is the Honda S2000. It was kind of like a little mini NFT series, but this was the only redeemable one from that series. And I also brought in the previous Honda S2000 that they had before, which this one was absolutely insane. And that's typically what the NFT Garage boxes look like. So it's kind of cool seeing this one with like this whole Fast and the Furious theme, black box and everything. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this one, and it's going to be insane. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the first time I'm actually seeing this one in person, so I am pretty excited. So I'm just going to carefully cut the tape here on top. All right, let me kind of fold it in a little bit, just to kind of make it look clean. All right, so here we go. I'm actually going to show it to you guys first. That right there looks absolutely insane. But there it is. Wow, that is amazing. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love that. Honestly, I wish I would have got a hold of a couple of these, but I only have one. So this is definitely a keeper. I'm going to go ahead and set that box right there. But as you see, it does come in a little plastic protector. And I already did notice that there's a piece of the cardboard that's a little damaged right there. But other than that, I mean, I'm fine with that. There's not a cracked blister that I can see of right now. Let's go ahead and take it out of the protector and check it out up close. Ooh, I almost dropped it. All right, so let me fold that little piece of cardboard back over. Well, it's such a minor little detail. And everything else on the blister pack looks great. I did see somebody selling one that has a cracked blister, so that's very unfortunate. This one, luckily, is in great condition. So the whole thing is kind of like the NFTH, except it had a gold kind of face on the card, and it was reflective. This one is more of like a silver with some purple, which looks amazing. And then the car has like a matte finish, so it doesn't reflect the same way, which that looks absolutely insane. But right there, that is the car. And obviously, it's the car from the Fast and the Furious. So if you don't recognize that, I think her name was like Suki or something. But wow, this car looks insane. The attention to detail is incredible on like all of it. And it does have Real Riders tires as well. So those are like actually rubber tires. And even the bottom looks impressive. It's like the whole bottom has been painted with that same pink paint. It's like the Spectra Flame pink. Even the attention on the back end there with all the little details, the exhaust, the taillights, the Honda logo, the license plate. Even the license plate says Fast and Furious, which is really small. But wow, what an incredible car that is. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. And currently, as I'm filming, people are selling these for about $400. And they just came out. So this is a high dollar Hot Wheel right here. Definitely do not want to drop this or damage that in any way. But wow, this is incredible. Man. And then also like the back of the card looks like that. And yes, it does have a window on the back that you can see the car through the card. So that's a really cool touch, and I love how they did that. But wow, what do you guys think of this Honda S2000? This right here might be one of my favorite Hot Wheels I've ever owned, and it is the NFT, which is obviously it was digital, and then it was redeemable for a real car, and that definitely does not disappoint. Wow, and if you guys don't remember, I'm going to go ahead and open up the blue one from a previous series, and this one's also kind of very sought after. But it's the only other time that they've made the Honda S2000 in an NFT form. So you see that one has like it's all blue with like the white accents and stuff. And then that one actually has a black roof, but in black bottom. Still has Real Rider tires, Spectra Flame paint, all that stuff. That also looks absolutely incredible. And I did notice that the packaging is a little different. So in the back of the car, there is like the plastic that kind of holds it in place. But this one has like more of like a big square around the car. This one, it's kind of cut down and it's shaped a little bit more on the car. But I think this one for display purposes looks a lot better. So I think they're kind of changing it up, making improvements to it. So I really do like that. But that's, let's see here. Let's just put both of these side by side because why not? Wow, those two Honda S2000s are amazing. Let me know down in the comments down below which one of these two is your favorite, because I think these are both super iconic, and these are just incredible cars, and these are going to definitely stay in my personal collection. I do have the other RLC cars that are like Honda S2000s. I'm still looking for the yellow convention one because that one's absolutely insane. But I'm not paying $1,000 for a Hot Wheel, especially one that's just going to sit in my personal collection. So maybe one day I'll come across that. Who knows? But for now, I'm collecting the ones that I can get a hold of. And this one is definitely one of those. And this is just insane. So let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this Honda S2000. And if you guys would like to see other Fast and the Furious NFT cars like this, I would love to see, obviously, the Supra and the Skyline in this kind of format. Like, that would be absolutely insane. It would probably break the Hot Wheel market if they did something like that. It's probably why they did the S2K. But, yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this. Also, if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Also, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button because I have a lot more videos coming out, especially special stuff like this where it's like doing like an unboxing of like an exclusive car. I also have some other cool cars coming up. And while we're on the topic of Hondas, I do have this video coming soon, so definitely hit that subscribe button. And yes, this is a Hot Wheel RLC car that comes in a box. And if you guys already know what it is, you know. But the Ryu's 1994, I don't remember if it's a Honda NSX or Acura NSX, but I mean, technically they're the same thing. But hit that subscribe button because this unboxing video will be coming soon, and you definitely do not want to miss out on that. But like I said, let me know what you guys think of this in the description down below. Any other comments, but like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.